1140 badge yet? All this money you make on this app? Huh? You can't come around us. You broke. Man, the pan in live, what this mean, you know? Pan in live, you know. I come and drop you over 500K in gift. What? You can't give back some? I mean, they're pan in live and the people, them are laugh, you know. Yo, anybody laugh about him, I go disrespect on, you know. No, and everything gonna take for joke, bro. Everything gonna laugh, and when people are insult you, you know, I laugh up, brother. You know, I laugh up, bro. Them things gonna take for insult, you know, Jamaican. Over there, yo, I like people insult me, you know, bro. You know, me, I got this him. Anytime he send me a request, I got this him and call him suck cock. Cause I laugh at everything, brother. Everything gonna laugh, bro. A true thing, bro. Me say, man, this me wicked. Then he might turn around about. You can't come around me and Perry. You can't come around me and she. I say, say rich boy. Say they ain't rich. Say they ain't rich. So me can't come around them. But if you understand, say, this is my third page. Anyhow, my page never left. Them boy, they could have, me and them would have the same amount of badge. Anyhow, my page them never take. Remember, say me hold on my page. Remember, say me 2 page them take 1139 blood clot badge. My first page take 1139. My second page take 1139. I know me just reach back 1139 on this page. Check it. Say, man, this me. That's Sicily black me. Come on, world dog. You can't come around this side no more. If we play game with you, it's a privilege. Me say, yeah, if he come around back, it's a privilege because we don't have his level. Hear him now. After me say, bro, you know, I'm going to block you. Big man, Tim, I'm going to block you. Hear him now. You can't say nothing about no page because I got 4 pages and all my 4 pages 1140. Over 1140. You know, to myself now, I get curb and I say, you know, say, I suck with them a chat. He suck with them a chat. And that I say to myself now, you know. No, I say to myself, say, you know, so they suck with us sit on a chat. No, that I start get corrupt and I say to myself, you know. There's no other way I can think about it. A round table talk. Because more than one time this come up. So a round table talk, and that I start praying and I say a round table talk they have. Round table blood clot talk they have. Yeah. J-Abs, you fuck dog, man, woman, and cat. So I don't know what to say about you. So I go disrespect you. And I know you send me no request, I go answer you, I go this year wickedest way. Yeah, I go this him wicked. One wicked this I got to give him. Wicked one. Because we don't know you're why, you know. You don't know you're what. I know I'm getting my bring glove of this suck up Jhop. That I don't know. That, well, you know what get me bring glove? I talk about them and say go suck your man. Hear him. I don't care if you and Swiss stop fucking with me. Jamaican love me. Hear the suck cocky Jamaican them and I come at them. Yes, we do. We no suck cock like brief. Me not like you know. Me say me not like you no blood clot. Me not like you know. Me tell you this plain and straight. Be careful who you ask for help, you know. Cause anyhow someone come on this blood clot again. But you want to use my platform as help. I'm going to shoot me up on the blood clot, mama. Cause the blood clot, this platform is not blood clot welfare or blood clot salvation army. Only when you know one bumbo clot help when you come together and talk about hero blood clot platform. Otherwise from that, you all want to sink me when you suck cock self. Me don't want nobody blind come over here. Me I tell you, I don't want no blind people for my life. You could have deaf, you could have fungus, you could have blood heart attack. No come over here. No come back over here. Me I tell you no play. You could have syphilis, gonorrhea, no come back for my life. Come ask and no help. Because I'm a people, them alone, me I help. If you're in an ex-younger, me see you for my life every day. Me not no help, I help you no. Brawling, brother. I don't have no help, I help you no. I don't have no help because I see a blood clot and to turn on and help you no. When you turn on and kill me to blood clot. It bad, make it good and suffer. I don't want to know on my page and I come tell me about had and Ray. No, I don't help again nobody, brother. I don't help again nobody, bro. If you're in my team or around my circle, I don't help again, bro. Well, I wouldn't make it bad for people. They are disrespect. Every time, you know what you think too? Every time you give people, you come back and talk about it. So that means you do it for hype. Oh, Miss Scott them not talk about it. Oh, Tommy them not talk about it. So could J-Ups, you think you give me like Tommy? You think you give me like Cabby? You think you give me like Slick? You think you give me like Blood Clot Munchie suck cock brief? You suck cock like brief. A batty boy. Me style you. Out and bright. Me say, they come over here, so all them, me tell them, what they use with for is views. And they know what they do. When see through Jamaican licky, all the thing they use for are views. Remember, you know, when me did have a whole of 8,000 and 10,000 people what the end of me, I talk brawling, you know. Remember, say, whole like American, them did half of me, you know. Look who they offer now, Swiss Lee. Me done chat. I'm going to have to talk again. Me say one year when the 10,000 and the 12,000 people I each up on my bumbo clot page. The whole like American, them she, all of them J-Ups, all of them love me. And now look who they love. Swiss Lee because of over their views there. Just talk, man. And just start, no man. And not me alone, and just start, no man. Talk, no man. A real talk. You know, for me, I go talk because I submit born for talk and talk facts. I'm going to talk the truth. But you know we come around. You know we come around and drop your gift on Jamaican. You turn on back your live and you talk about it. You talk about it. Hey, me glad me not call none on the phone, you know. Me glad me not call none on the blood clot phone. Yeah, man, me don't want to set of crosses, man. I want to set of crosses. Me check in for your live last night. Well, dog, you haven't reached level 40 yet. How much money you make on this app? I drop you over 500K. What you did with the money? Huh? Your background always fucked up. I said, watch suck up, J-Ups. Notice, man. Just notice. When time me did have the 8,000, then just come and drop them big gift or big up their name and gone and then gone and them a go away and them a go away. Notice they follow views, they know which what they sell. They want Jamaican come back and support them. All I hear them a talk about them not job for help, then just want to come because they see community where we have. Fox. Yeah, disrespect. Out and bright. Out I know. But you can't hang with us. You don't know your voice already. You can't hang with us. You broke. You can't hang. And the dog going to play with in the Yoshi. I don't know if you know this dog with Swiss Lee as they play with. Yoshi have over 1.5. He named Yoshi. Swiss Lee animals they play a match. Him. You can't come around Yoshi. You can't come around this. You can't come around that. Yo, see that? See Mama just put you up there. See him there. Y-O-N-Y-O-N-N-I. See him there. Him same one. Him same one. You can't hang and ring and ring. That's all right then. Yeah. But me get corrupt. And they know say me cuss off all of them blood clot on this app. I mean, no! Perry call and say, leave blood clot word dog alone. I know Perry will text you and tell you that. Perry will tell us that I want blood clot dog we can't tear that. Fuck yourself. You walk on chalk line. Fuck yourself, no neck, thick blood clot. Buy, sell and fuck dog and cat and man and woman self. You know, I'm disrespect you. I'm telling you, you know. When you see me a chill on this app from what they are, leave me alone with my family, you know. Leave me alone. Alright. You don't even know me. You don't know me. I whole heap of upon this app no know me, bro. You see me? I want to make media and this dance and this fool and carry on myself. Take on in a one blood clot way. Make you feel like you have right to diss me. Remember me telling that. So take this media thing and feel like you can diss me, dog. Just make you know. Straight and plain. You know, if you stop watch people and feel like a media just loan a media. You know, if you stop it. All the while they do it. Like worse. But me tell you something. We Cassie for ourselves, included me. I'm going to talk because I'm going to talk facts. Yes, when they come over here and drop with them gift, we act like we are poverty. Yeah. So we jump up sky high. Yeah. Because when they give the American then gift, the American just clap and say, oh my God. And don't move from front I scream. Or then spin and cheer. We are going to jump up, we are going to run and we are going to jump over wall and mash up the sitting them. True. I saw them deal with me. But not only them foreign people, I know. These Jamaican too. We even come on this app a beg, a kill we. Them a kill the other beggars like we. You see when nothing now go on for them, they no come. You know if you know no people pocket other content creator. You know if you know people pocket and know one of no family pocket. I'm going to talk to you now. You see from Sunday me I hold it. Because I know it's a bills time. If you know people pocket and make your people them feel like we over here no have no heart. If you know surrounding pocket. You see from Sunday I not play no game from a team, put my podium and I drop off. Because bills time. So you know what you do with the team, when you come out, you just play some music and hold out with your team. And wait till your team as a hero run too much. Or go back in it. Or you run too much and see how your team stay. If your team, if you know say your team now shoot like how they used to shoot, take yourself and go back go vibes with your blood clot team. No. Somehow no content create upon this app. Yes, when you not get no gift, when you sit down and bash other people, when you don't know, you not bash yourself. Let me show you what you do. Every day you get up and beg, you can't give people them pocket and break. Remember you have rent, remember you have bills. Remember this, remember that. Remember everything, but when you are win, you don't remember people and bills. I mean, I talk facts, you know. When you are win, you don't remember the people and bills. When you get gift all 7 months straight, you don't remember about the people and bills. But 4 blood clot week, rough for you. And you get up and you hold your phone. And you talk about how we are pressure gifters and gifters are complaining and ray because nothing are going for you. And your gifter them sister, you are playing mind game with them. You not do nothing for them. You not give them but no support. You only take your gift to them give. I don't even know if your gift know where your blood clot righteously if I know nothing about you. Let me show you something, bro. No millionaire over here so now shoot for me. No millionaire over here so now shoot for me. Me not no millionaire over here so nobody say, yo, them are no millionaire on them something there. We in our own circle are dragged down with self, bro. By when we not talk that. And other people comment on the live and start say true. 1 true become 2 true. 2 true become 3 true. Then have 1 bungle of true. Then people start fire like say, oh, a true, and it come one big argument.